Hello, welcome to Business Professionals of America. My name is Mrs. Ertl. We have Mrs. Hilgendorf and Mr. Marks. We are from the Business Ed Department and we're the advisors for Business Professionals of America, BPA. BPA is an academic competitive club and it's kind of hard to explain, but you can think of it as math, kind of like math club or math team, except we compete in business concepts. We're kind of a big deal. We are very, very successful at the local, state, and even national level. And we're really excited that you are considering joining our club. So we're going to tell you a little bit more about BPA.
Our first set of events are the 100 levels, and this is all about finance, from accounting, economics, and just topics in finance in general. The majority of these tests are pen and paper tests with hands-on calculations, and then the exception of economic research individual and the 2 team events, economic research team and financial analysis team. So if you're interested at all in finance or accounting, please sign up for a 100 event.
Next are the 200s, and if you decide that one of these contests is for you, you'll be working with me. The 200s are all about the Microsoft Office suite, working with a computer, and most of these contests, you will be taking a test on a computer. There's several different contests, all the way from word processing, Microsoft Office, all the way to database, and there even is a contest for business law and ethics. The only team event in this category is administrative support team, in which you work together with a group to produce several different business documents. Also for the 400s, I'm also, I would be your advisor if you choose to compete in a 400 level event, but this is really more of the creative events where you get to create something. Most of these events are early submission. If you have taken art classes, if you know the Adobe suite rather well, there's a bunch of creative contests, everything from graphic design to website design, computer animation, or even something like news broadcast production.
All right, and then our final category is management, marketing, communications. And these are the 500s. The 500s are all about presentations, and there are several team events in here. We historically have been very successful. In fact, we have the reigning national champions for global marketing team. So if you enjoy working on your own giving a presentation or working with the team giving a presentation in any of these different topics, this would be the area for you. All of these have topics that are given to you that are already available through our Schoology page. So we're hoping between the 100s, which are finance that Mrs. Hilgendorf talked about, the 200s, business administration that Mr. Marks talked about, and then the digital design, the 400s, Mr. Marks, and then the 500s that I talked about, something has piqued your interest. So now what? You've got to register for BPA at Infinite Campus. And technically this has to be done through your parents, through their Infinite Campus account. We cannot let you into any Zoom or any meeting unless you are in Infinite Campus. So that is the first step that you have to take care of. Then join our Schoology group. The course code is listed, and please note it's a group, not a course. There's lots of resources in our Schoology course, our Schoology group. Start poking around. There's lots of information. Follow us on Twitter. Take a look at all the pictures that we have from all of our events over the last several years. And then stay tuned for our first meetings. Our first meetings are really just for new members because returning members, you know, they know what they're doing. So we're really going to focus on you, our new members, and answer all your questions. So please stay tuned, check Schoology and your District 211 email. Thank you very much, and we hope to see you at BPA.